Now we come to the one that's a little nicer. Yeah. 1975 Caprice, man. Heck yeah. On this one, it was a decently straight car. That hood was buckling. I don't know if you can kind of see it. Maybe my phone won't show it. But she's got some flake in her. I can see some blue flake in her. Yeah, it's a little custom little paint job. But here's the reason why this one. But look at that. I'm gonna go back here so you can. If I do this, could you tell that it was wrecked in the back? Could you? Got a hole there. This one last, I guess, on the road 09. She had some body work that was yeah, shit, rust issues. It's very common here, but there's gonna be a reason. I'm betting a tree, a limb or something fell over this car on the trunk. Yeah. Damaged that quarter, damaged the deck lid. Bumper looks, I don't know if it's okay or if it got hit. I'm not sure, but I can see it's kind of bent in here. Let me close these doors. See how, get a better look at it. Come on. Get a better look, see how straight it is. Yeah, look at that. Pretty straight on this side. I bet she's got a lot of body work though, right up in this area right here. I can see it. Not good. You can see the scratches. Yeah, you can see the body work. Yeah. Look at a nice trim. And of course my memory filled up on my phone, so story of my life, man. I guess I really need to start carrying some extra phones, batteries, cameras, what have you. I like this angle, do you? I like this angle right here, man. Yeah, looks nice. Wish I could just close this door just to get a... Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is. Can't be even straighter. Yeah. I like that. Heck yeah. Yeah, alright, man. This front end, like I was saying, man, that bumper's in nice shape. That grill looks to be decent too. Yeah. The acrylic came off. Oh, there. Headlight bezel's got issues there with the chrome. It's the same here with this one. These small pieces here, they look good too. The bumperettes here, they don't look bad either, you know. Nah, actually it's cracked right there. But she hit right there, maybe. This piece here is good. This is cracked there, got a hole there. This piece, it's there. The filler panel appears to be, it's like 3 pieces, right? Well, got this. I think they did body work to this piece, but it's there. On this side, yeah, it's still might be still salvageable. It's a shame on this hood because like a little dent there I can see, but right here, right there, you can see the rivets, or no, not rivets, they use screws. But yeah. All right, let's take a look in this car. Actually, that was the guy who was here. Got here right up at the same time I did. He got here like basically right behind me, and the skirts were sitting right here in the car, and I grabbed them to look at them. He's like, "Hey man," it's like what's going on? I was like, "Hey, nothing much." He's like, "Oh man, you came to get the skirts?" I was like, "Well, you know, I just want to love them. I don't know." He's like, "Man, it's like the one thing I came to get." I was hoping to find it. I was like, "You know what, man? Here you go, man. You can take them, man. You know, I mean, they'll probably just sit in my shop for the most part. This one's got some rust. You can see that. Yeah, so I let them have them. You know, ain't no big deal. Maybe they're worth a lot of money. Who cares? I'm not worried about it. Got a lot of crap that I haven't even sold yet that's just sitting in my shop. Yeah, like I said, oh, this Decklid's no good. But you know, the channel's all right. Yeah, there's a light there too. See that there? Inside, let's take a look. Take a look underneath here real quick. Like I said, this one to me is rusty. Dual exhaust I see on it though. She is duals. She does have dual exhaust. Oh man, it sucks with. Oh, these rocks on my knees, man. That shit hurts. No, we don't have a. She's also a one-wheel peel, but she's got a sway bar. Yeah, does have a sway bar. I wonder if that sway bar is worth anything. Yeah, she got rust on these floors, man. This one's in worse shape than this blue one, than this one over here. But, the interior is decent. This one survived. This back seat survived in way better condition. Way better condition. Got your little tweeters, same like the other car. I gotta tell you something. You know, could be the same person. This is a, yeah. This seat's not in bad shape. This headliner did survive. Oh, my eyes. Oh, that sweat in your eyes. Gotta love that, man. Ooh. Gotta love that. Oh. You see that headliner there? Okay. And look, we got power windows. I think all the glass is good on this one too. Door panel. This one almost survived. She's got a crack right there. We got in the glove compartment. Rick Ross. Yeah, baby, Rick Ross. Thing under key. That's the registration. What's this? Jensen. I thought maybe I thought I saw something else in there. It's not. What's this? This is something. Is it? What is this? Oh, no, it's nothing. My bad, nothing. Sorry, Mr. Barnes. Taking a little too much time here, right? Seat's not in bad shape, though. No, it isn't. Let's go around the other way. Whew. Already, man, sweating like a dog. Or a pig, or whatever you want to say. Look on this side. And down there. Yeah, lighter. There you go. Your power windows. Main switch there. Ooh, it's power bench seat. Ooh, I like that. Yes, I do. And I don't have a way of taking it home. Damn it. Oh, God. I tell you, man, the one thing I can't stand is when these things get all sticky on your hand. Oh, that sucks. We got a pretty old picture here of somebody bending over to get something. Can't really make it out anymore. Here go your Jensen aftermarket radio. Check out that speedometer. I mean the odometer there for you. Yeah. This would have been. So that's some nice parts on it, some good stuff, man. It'd be nice to swap one of these out if you got, you know, yours doesn't have power bench, man. Heck yeah. Is that it? No, did I look at everything in here? I think I did, right? Yeah. Under the hood, man. We're not forgetting under the hood, but you know, I usually wait for kind of the last things under the hood, Mr. Barnes. So in case you didn't know that, that's kind of the way you know, the way I go about it. So it's not always that way, but you know what? I forgot to give you guys the VIN on that other car. I am so sorry. And the data tag. But here's the data tag to this one. Oh, sorry. Oh crap, my eyes. Oh man, I don't even know if you can see the other side of that. You probably can't, can you? Right? Wait a second. Let me see if I can. It's really hard, and I don't want to hit my phone, and maybe the phone will. There, you can probably see it all now, right? Yeah. Okay. All right. I'm gonna take a picture of the VIN on that one and the data tag, so we can, for those that you want to see that here. Okay, there we go. What's that? IN39U5S118397. All right. Now my question I didn't know is like, because I couldn't tell from here. It's all worn out. Do we have a 400? Is this a 400? You know? See that this part here is rubbed off right here, so I can't tell what it is. You know. But it is a 4-barrel intake. They took it. This thing had cruise control, right? Yeah, cruise control. Yeah. Well, here it is, panning for you, Mr. Barnes. Yeah, he said that, you know, real car guys, that's what they want to see, right? Real car guys. I consider myself a real car guy. Classic cars, though. I'm not much into the modern stuff. There it is. We're panning for you. Real slow, Mr. Barnes. Real slow. I'm accommodating, you know. All you gotta do is ask. You know? All you gotta do is ask. Nicely, you know? Nicely like. I'm just joking, man. I'm just messing around. Yeah, there's their attempt to fix that hood buckling. You know, it kind of worked though. You know, yeah. Oh man, I'm getting a call. Come on, get off. There you go. All right, let me close this hood again, and yeah. Well, there it is. 75 Chevy Caprice. Yeah, man. This was a treat for me. Was it a treat for y'all? Like I said, I'm gonna get the VIN and the data tag on that one. Take some pictures, and it'll be in that video. You know, my bad. I always forget something, man. Old age is getting to me, I guess. All right, man. We are out.